Okay, welcome everybody on the new webinar with Bookmap. So we're back from New York. So it was a beautiful experience in Wall Street. Also had the pleasure over here to meet Bruce. He's a really funny guy. We spoke a lot. We had some good fun. We had ate together. So I'm looking to have more seminars with him and Bookmap. That is a really amazing tool. First of all, read the disclaimer. As you know, everything that we cover is for education purpose only, so this is not has to be treated like investment advice. And now we can start. So if you have followed me over here this morning on the pre-market plan, we have MBB, we have Tesla, and we have also VVOS. Right now, VVOS is my main stock for the day. The reason why is we have a high forecast. So I'm really looking for VVOS to trade short. And I would like over here to add some liquidity. Sorry, I would like to add over here some size to this trade. Okay. By the way, I want to be that you are a participant of this. My father this morning had let's say a checkup for a possible cancer. And I just received by my mom the exams are okay. So this is the most important news for the day. I hope all your families and everybody that you love is also okay, because that really influences you in your life. And these are the most important thing for what we trade and we try to make money for. Do you hear any echo over here by me? If you're echo, you have to close one Discord, or you have to close on the side the YouTube. Thank you, bro. He's fine. Let's see if you have any. Thank you very much. Same for all of you, really. We need it in this world. Everybody's going crazy, wars left and right. I'm really like a pacifist, so I don't want any kind of war. We just need to have a good life, make money, get food to our children, and that's it. And try to help others. That's the most important thing as well. Okay. So I don't see any other traders hearing echo over here. We can start. Okay, so what we're going to do is actually treat this VVOS like a first play. You can see over here that I have multiple charts, okay? And I don't want to really confuse you. But the reason why I have these charts is because by each chart, I can see something different. Now, we have over here a 1 minute, a 5, 3, a 3, 5, and 15 is because I like to see the price action on different ways. You can have this simply on one chart, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, the one that you prefer. For, I would say, screen sharing, this morning I will use only one chart, the 5 minutes, okay? Because otherwise I know that you will see very good. So I have over here Bookmap, and I have over here the chart. The plan this morning we said was VVOS again, was MVVE, and was Tesla. Thank you, Florian. Thank you, Mark. Good work this morning, traders. Really proud of you. So I need to check over here, first of all, how much we borrowed on VVOS. Only 1,000 shares. As I said this morning, I already finished trading on my 2 big accounts, and I'm trying to focus on raising money for my little wife's account. So we're up 20% in 2 days. VUS 1,000, yeah, for $5,000 account, 1,000 shares is fine. Maximum we can go 1,005. Lunar, see if we hit 9. Okay, let's see also Lunar. And even over here, this high. Could be very interesting if we have that extension. I like if we have lunar extension, but for me this has to extend, yeah, till the $9.30. So before that, I won't be looking at that lunar. And VVOS instead could be a good gap and grab. Let's see. Okay, we're looking to start. No, buddy. Only if Luna extends, but I'm gonna keep it. I think members will alert. Let's see. Okay, we have 90 seconds. So let's see if this is gonna give us a little bit of good trades this morning. Anybody looking to trade VVOS? Scotty, yes. Mikey, yes. Gonam, yes. Carlito, yes. Patrizia, okay. Okay, let's look together what I can do over here. 50 seconds. Start looking for a 360 short. I tried to get a fill, and I pressed over here 345, but I couldn't get a fill. NVV pop. Let's see NVV. Lunar tanked. Let's see Lunar. Let's see NVV. Beautiful VVOS. I said look 360, got 355 and dumped. VVOS, very nice traders. I tried a 345 to short, and again hotkeys over here this morning. Not really the best. Let's see APLT. So Lunar, APLT, beautiful. Oh, wow, extension. Buddy, can you close? APLT. Looking for the previous high. Previous high is around 725. Let's see if we can get that high. Ton of volume APLT. Still no short. Want to see a fake of the 728. Patience. So VVS going good, and MVV going good. So if you follow the plan, the US paid good. MVV paid pretty good. Now we're looking at APLT. Short it, short it. Short APLT. This ripped me up. Have to stop it soon. Ah, fuck. Loss on this traders because I broke the high with that volume. In this case, give back the profit of the morning and took a loss because I oversized on this one, 1,900 shares. So let's see if we have a fake of this level, but the volume is pretty high. VVS since they're going down, all the rest is working. Yeah, this brought me in a red on a small account over here. Yeah, VVS beautiful. MVV over here. Another push. Remember SSR, fake breakdown. Let's look over here, APLT. Still pushing strong. Is the high institutional ownership. Beautiful trade buddy on NVIDIA. So I'm looking only in the first few minutes if we have a J Slam on an APLT, otherwise we'll leave it. So MVV, I will be watching over here only high of day. So let's look at 725. Lunar over here, wait high of day. And Lunar is giving the setup and missed it just right now. Fuck. Just right now. I saw Lunar, J Slim. I saw Lunar J Slim. That was fast. Beautiful J Slim Lunar. Look. Pop. I wanted the 850 so bad. Was going to load over there. So a little bit of like missed opportunities over here. You want to stop at the gate, but the setups are definitely there. The system is working. This is a beautiful setup that I look always with Bookmap. So you see the seat map over here is 70. You see that push over here to this 870. That's our golden zone level exactly to the T. Boom. Big one over there if you took it.
Good morning. Sorry for the interruption. The AC will start cooling in a few seconds. Just turn on. Give us a call on anything you need. Thank you.
ISPC. Wow, this seems very liquid. I showed with the tide risk over here, PLT. It's a high institutional, so I must keep risk very tight. It doesn't go. Don't like it. Don't like it. Don't like it. I don't like it, PLT. J Slam on the 5, maybe I take it, otherwise nothing else. So good opportunities, good trades. But for now, I missed Lunar, which was A plus. And I missed this morning the ad on BVOS. Omex is pushing. Another SSR, small float. Careful. PRTG. BBLG is pushing. Another SSR. Let's see more about this ISPC. SSR as well. Florian, good day, buddy. Yeah, BBOS, beautiful. So I'm going to look back on BBOS. So this traders is important to show because we were on a small account plus 350. Now we're probably minus 300. And it's good to show because I simply oversized on a institutional and I missed two good trades that easily we could have been like plus 1K on this. Shorting over here VVOS, and I'm going to add more. like the stop for rejection. So I want to see over here with this 3-minute day slim VWS dumping. My risk is going to be 350, so I want to add higher. Add a VWS. So the max risk is 355. Let's see. So we're risking this previous high. When I see seller jumping in, we need back. Okay. Looking for a wash. As to dump over here below VWAP. It's only VWAP in anime. The volume is not that high, but if it goes 355 plus, I need to stop out on VVOS. And this will be the second loss on this account for the day, so I'm gonna stop after this. And this was traded only because oversized a little bit and missed some good trades. Okay, out for this. So red day on this one. It's fine. No more trades, and that's my risk management. Okay, let's look over here now. Levels. We don't have that high volume over here on VBOS, so it can still dump. But I had my risk at 355, 356. This slim is making the 2. I already touched the 200 on the 5, but I can still dump with this volume. So this is a good risk at 359, 360. So I believe now they can dump. Mm-mm. More sellers over here. Breaks this 345. This can wash. So lunar big wash this morning. VPR nothing. Let's see, NVBE 750. The fake clear out playing good. So who traded NVBE? We had the morning over here, previous high around 740. Fake out right now, and it faded pretty good. You can see over here. Remember, this we said is the level that we're watching to trade get the short. Look how beautiful this worked. Nice textbook. This is the level we made this morning over here, 740, 750 from pre-market. Faked out. Was over here. And then altered, open over here, push, fail. Nice. It's always SSR, so we have to be a little bit always more attentive, but that's fine. Now let's continue to see BBOS. I want to see how this plays. 358. Taking out. Nothing. Let's go back on Tesla. So Tesla this morning, remember our plan, 230, or a bounce long or a fake out short, and it got to that support level 228 over here. This behaved pretty good. And that's VVOS. Let's see over here how it will behave. Could be high day fake out 415. Volume on VVOS. So basically, yesterday we made 750. This morning, yeah, probably our break even between yesterday and today. We're up 1.2. Stupid oversize, missing 2-3 trades. So back over here, giving back what we made yesterday, but it's fine. So I said I'm gonna stop trading. The only level that I'm watching, traders, is gonna be the high day fake out, because that's really worth it with a very low risk over here on BBOS. This is the 200 on the 5 when the volume comes in, so at least we don't get squeezed. Too much volume over here, 600K per minute, so don't trade the short. Pretty high volume. Nice cup. Level of golden zone is 402, and then 420 the high of day. So let's see. I would have hit over here 382, 383. Let's see. Still a lot of volume.
Yeah, it does look a little.
I like over here the fact that it went to the golden zone, that 402. Let's see if we have a J slam, maybe in the 5 minutes. Let's see. VBS APLT is a 780. Let's see this over here. I tried to hit 390, didn't catch me. I tried to hit 390, but the hotkeys didn't catch me. So let's see, I have a big selling pressure at $4 over here. J Slam, I will load the last one. And that's the only last trade. See if we can have a fake out of 4. It's holding. It's still holding. Could be a high day fake out, let's see. Still high volume over here. Below 4. BOS, yeah, though under 4, yes, but I prefer the high of day. I didn't see over here J Slim that I wanted. So I'm just waiting. So you can see trader this morning, the short we took up here on BBOS at 4. Then we added over here at 390. We took the fill until the J-lines over here. At the gate, I missed this. Then I short over here, I stopped at 350. And right now, it came to this level at 4, where we had the previous resistance. What I would really like would be a high of day clear out. Because what happened over here, this $3 was the main target we wanted. This is the 200 million, the 5, okay? Also, Lays is pushing, but one at a time.
Straight.
Shorted. Tight risk. Covering partial. I kind of got the fill. How much I have? 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares. Okay, I got back almost everything. Gonna take more profit. So actually, traders, we're like, yeah, reducing the risk. We're still up from yesterday. Took a major stuff over here. So I'm working with Alessandro's account. Was up 20% 2 days. Shorter cover, shorter cover, cover. Over here, I missed this trade. Short stop. Loaded 2,000 shares on a 5K account, so it's good. Looking if we can fill all the way down now. So I'm gonna give this the risk, okay? Is it clear, the execution? High of day, short cover, J slim, golden zone, cover J lines. Missed over here the play. I tried to short 345. I would have been like up 4 figures on this. Reshort over here, added a stop before the squeeze. Loaded is what I could. I could even like had the hotkeys working. So now if it goes down, good. If it goes up, break even. And I'm still what? Being green besides yesterday. It's not going because I think the hotkeys over here, stream deck, always have to be open. Let's see. I hate this stream deck. Can't wait to go back and have my, doesn't go. Break even. Now it goes. Yeah, we have only 500 share left. So this thing goes to be up. I'm using always razor at home, so I'm sorry for this. Let's see if we can have a fail. Okay. Okay, so let's see everything that is going on. APLT, high institutional, three-way pattern, possible trendline break over here. But I already got max stop on APLT, so I'm not really trading this anymore. This should fail and unwind, we'll see. Lunar, perfect J slim this morning over here at 860. NVV, another high day fake out, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Let's see, SPY, nothing. BBLG. So we're trading really with a lot of SSRs. Really not the best. Let's see BBOS. If it goes there, then we look high of day. It still has volume BBOS. BBOS over here, holding 90 on the 1 minute. Held the VWAP, held the J lines. J slim over here again. Let's see if it can wash. Good wash over here. J slim back to the VWAP. So you can see that I'm using patterns, levels, and order flow. That's the only thing. Okay. So levels over here is the $4 where we shorted. Patterns is a pattern of fake out. You can see push above this resistance, break out the bull flag, boom, dump. And order flow, because as soon as we saw that, we showed as soon as it cracked the 4. But I have to check again these hotkeys because it's not really performing the best. Stop out the rest of it here, pushing again this 390. So they wanted to hold over here the VWAP. So they're holding the VWAP with this inside bar 3 minutes. This is going to push back up. Let's see. I want that short a little bit higher. I took a short 88, but I went a little bit higher. That's why. BBOS. BBOS. Trimming over here, 79. Risk and break even. So I'm getting short on BBOS traders. Yeah, 390. Major fake out. Now I can hold all the rest to stop break even. Okay, let's see. Should fail over here. Okay.
That wick wasn't real.
That wick was real.
It was.
Yep. Okay, so back over here, 390. And I would like over here to have a flush of the J lines 350s. Traders, really, 350s. Mm-hmm.
Hi, Jay.
It's gonna go break even again, traders. So it's not really giving me satisfaction. This video as a piece of crap.
You would think that would kill it.
Mm-hmm. We're getting to 1010. So you can see what we're doing today. We're actually trading the levels. We're actually trading the patterns. We're actually trading with the Bookmap, but it's still not working as we want. Okay, so patience, patience, and patience. All right, team? Could dump over here. Yeah, it's showing weakness. But I had my trill in the money, so I'm not gonna risk. So APLT is still holding a trend line. APLT over here, still holding this trend line. Let's see, Lunar faded pretty good. MBB faded pretty good. BBS still there. BBLG. I'm gonna stay still on BBOS. I like the BBOS short over here if you're holding, have an high average. So supply above 420, trapped over here of the longs above $4. So I like it over here a lot. Golden zone rejection. See 78% fib and 88%. 78% fib and 88%. So we're pretty good. I'd like to get the fill a little bit better than this, like a little bit higher.
Before 10:30,
10:30 after, we're not gonna trade anymore. Already, maybe the last fake out, 425. Would love to see that. Let's see.
For me, if I saw that stuff candle and it was holding, I'd be,
Yeah, it's a trappy.
yeah, because of the
I'd like to see the high of day fake out, you know, taking 20, 30 cents there, full size,
yeah.
and that's it.
The news, I guess, was pretty decent.
Yeah, it's the news about
Yeah.
the baby clearance 501, yeah. But technically, is the fact that it tossed 200 million to 5 here, and until here there was really no volume. Oh, volume came over here.
Mm-hmm. But you spotted it well.
Yeah, I know that if that 355 breaks,
Yeah.
you have to get out.
And usually when it already hits the target, it's not as good.
If it's low volume, you can still trade and you can still unwind more. But when it gets then volume, you have to wait for higher day. And then you see over here when the 90 MA crosses the VWAP with an inside bar. That's
Right.
always a long play. And there we are, go. BVOS, VWAP and J lines. So I should tell you to cover here 1/3 of what you have. Okay. So you can see VVS over here faded. That's still above the open level, which is around 350s.
Do you ever take that trade, that stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and just leave that as your stop and just let it go?
Yeah,
The hot
but it
button.
has to be something that I have a very good feel. Then risking like maybe 5-10 cents and stuff like that. That feel 390s, risking 420 now is too much. Too much. I would do that if it would be like a $8 stock.
Mm-hmm. Do you use all three?
Like a limit
Like where you
fantasy
just set
orders.
your stop with a click? Or,
Yeah, and then I can drag it.
yeah.
That I like it. I can drag it. Well done, Tio. So traders, it's important to see also, this is the performance on a small account. Yesterday we were 750 clean. This morning we were around 350 clean. Miss, and I pressed it. Okay, so not like miss, I knew it. I missed it, pressed it because of keys my wife did was not really good. I'm using our stream deck. It was for 4 figures at a bigger loss on EPLT because I sized up. All the rest played good. VVOS missed like a couple of fills. MVV missed a big fill, and tomorrow won't happen because I fixed the hotkeys. So we are like, let's say, plus minus probably 350. Yesterday 750, we are up 400. So that's like almost a 10% in 2 days of work on a small account. And we're gonna work, as I said, in about 1 week to bring it to 10K. So we'll share every day what we do over here. Tomorrow, I don't know if I will be able to trade because tomorrow morning I have a meeting, breakfast meeting. And then I have the plane, I think, like 11 o'clock. So I don't know if I will play from the plane or something like that. It's gonna be crazy, but I'll try. And anyways, just want to like to show you over here what we're doing. So this is the loss that we had on APLT, and bad fails and oversized on this. So it's not really a big loss in terms of cents, just like oversized. All the rest play good, small size. Just to show you to be like, what we can do on a small account. So getting back to our setups, I want to explain a few things over here. First of all, this morning, as we said, big caps are, for me, best to trade after the FOMC, so 2:30 p.m. The second thing over here is, remember, we have a daily resistance 230, then 232 on Bookmap. We had them, and also on Tesla, the chart. So 230 with a breakout, it popped to exactly that 232 heat map, and you can short over here. That's, for me, an A+ setup, because that's like key daily resistance, FFT, and then you have a rejection with a move. You can trade, this is 231 and 50, and take all the fill down to 228, okay? So not because this happened, is because really was the plan. The plan, that's it. Then I want to go over with you at Omex 1 second. So extension, halted a couple of times, or I think 2 times over here, came down. This is SSR. So if we have J lines anchor with an inside bar, long is a very good possibility. Trend over here on APLT, 95%. My trade was over here, and I stopped it exactly over here when it went up. Then I didn't trade anymore. So am I going to trade APLT right here? Not really. Why I have to is not really the best. Bull flag, J lines pushing back up. Then we have over here VEAA, very liquid, not gonna trade it. Lunar, beautiful play over here. So Lunar finally is not an SSR, and it came over here high of a day. This is the fake out. So this time we're not gonna miss it, and VVS is going down. VVS is going down. So we gotta look at Lunar. Okay, Lunar has institutional 36%, 46 million float, and I want to check market cap again, 339. Is there a fader? Let's see if Lunar has dilution again. Offering ability high. Okay, so we're gonna look at Lunar over here. Beautiful over here from the $4 to the 350 VVOS. Patience pays sometimes, right? Patience pays. NVV, everybody paid day, and now we're looking at Lunar. So Lunar, only for me is to trade this at 880. But overall, the day is good. Besides that, the stop that I took, the day is good. The system performed very well. Bad fails with hotkeys, missed entries, one oversized error, but even if I trade everything, the oversized error would be like 1/3, 1/4. So continue to work because the system is paying off. Okay. Lunar, you have to think why this is bouncing back up. Why this is bouncing back up. Where did it get? I think it was the 5-minute J lines, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. And now is about 850 is in the mid range. No, not trade for me until 880. So I'm not gonna trade over here. 880 wide, the high golden zone, key daily level. That's the only thing I'm looking to see. Yeah, Lunar 100 million raisable on shelf. Well done, MVVA payday, buddy. Now wait till Lunar over here. There's no play, even if this goes down. MVVOS, good for who stood with the play. 5-minute J Slim over here really paid off big. Inside bar, pop. This is the $4 and failed it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, sorry. And that really is the difference. If you trade high for dollars, never goes to break even. You hold it 350, it's 50 cents. Put even 2,000 shares, that's already 1,000 bucks. That's all you need. Or with a small account, okay? So over here, yeah, making the counts is minus 350 for the day, probably 370, yesterday 750, so 400 bucks clean. Yeah. Not too happy about it. Could have been like plus 2K. So we're gonna stop over here at 10:30. If you have questions, you're free to ask. So every day we screen share from 9 to 9:20, free. So I'm telling you my main tickers. This morning Tesla worked good, VUS worked good, MVV worked good, and APLT, sorry, we had double plan or gap and crap or along with the Jalen curl. I took the wrong plan, but Tesla was good. And Tesla, I actually a little bit pissed because now I tell you I should have focused on that because I knew it, right? We always say like this. And I'm gonna share the play that you can trade, even your J. So the good thing is you have a key daily level, and then you have Bookmap over here. It simply tells you this. Look at the 232. Everybody, woke up at 3:30. Yeah, that was tough. Okay, check everybody over here on Tesla. The reason why I say it was an A+ setup for me, big resistance 232, and look over here on Tesla. We have the resistance 230, and then this major over here 232. So as soon as you see that rejection, you trade it. That's the only thing. On the 1 minute, you have this inside bar, and then breakdown over here 230, boom, drop. Okay, let's look at Lunar. I'm getting tired, so I'm thinking, I'm sorry. I'm getting tired, so I'm thinking, should I take this trade? 880 fake out and I'm short. That's it. I need to have patience to wait at 880. I need to have that patience. Whew. And I need also to borrow because I didn't borrow this. Anybody looking at Lunar? The 90 MA working good over here for the long. Let's see also if the bars are expensive or not. Okay, going up. Okay, let's look at Lunar. I have day 877. Going, huh? No, no fake out over here. Previous high was 950s. 940, 950s. I guess that's the level. 940, 950s. Nice lady. I like the dip in an anime that we had at 840. No, I would just the dip over here. The dip over there. And then if you see 90 MA crossing the Z lines with an inside bar or 90 MA crossing the Vivo with an inside bar, it's a long. Took 820. So yeah, she took it instead of here on the cross of the Z lines. Yeah, in this case, you can do it, but you have to risk this. It's the rate, that's fine. So I'm looking for 930, 950. It's just a level of yesterday. So
It's a daily level too.
yeah. So we put horizontal line. Let's see if she put it. No, she put it. Okay. What a patience.
It's kind of grinding up.
Mm-hmm. And the volume is pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
As 1 million per bar. I'm not gonna touch it this way, 1 million per bar. Has to really come a 920 as a slim. I'm risking like 3 cents. Full size goes down 15, 20 cents. I trim something, goes down all. I hold it till there was nothing. Luna watching for even to come in below that 9. I'm not looking at 9, bro. Looking really at that daily level 920, 930. Traders, 1030 over here. It can still go to that level at 920, but I'm probably done for the day. Here since 4 o'clock, it's like 10:30, so not bad for that. We're gonna update tomorrow. Also for mentor, I'm gonna review after your trading. I'm gonna have over here still breakfast, still didn't do anything, eat anything, just a shake. I'm gonna stay a little bit with Jay. He came over here. And then I'm going to the beach, hitting the gym, have some meetings, some dinner tonight, and then see you back for tomorrow morning probably, okay? So I'm trying to be over here around 4 o'clock for the pre-market. I don't know till when I can trade because I also have the plane tomorrow. So thank you over here. Sorry for the poor performance on PLT. For the rest, very good trades. High institution this time, volume caught me. And I knew, it's one of the rules I knew, but you never know. I tried and I failed this time. So the important thing is always to cut losses as fast as you can, because if I hold, I would be red versus yesterday. Still, we're still green, we're still up. So 5K account, to 10K. I want to do that in 1 week. So we'll see if we're going to be able to do that 100% account in about 1 week. If not, I'm going to laugh at myself. And also my wife is going to be totally destroyed. Thank you, traders. Review the really the setups. We got some very good stuff. Thank you, Jay, for coming today. And see you back tomorrow morning. We're done with the long trades. Thank you, Bookmap.